Pediatric dose calculation is a very important topic, and many students and healthcare professionals get confused. We will do this calculation in 3 simple steps. Step 1. Calculate the required dose. First, we need to know the child's weight and the recommended dose usually given in milligrams per kilogram. Second, check the medication strength. For example, 125 milligrams in 5 milliliters. Third, convert the calculated dose from milligrams into milliliters. So remember, weight, calculate the dose, check the strength, and convert mg to ml. Let's solve a practical example step by step. Let's take an example of paracetamol. The recommended dose is 10 to 15 milligrams per kilogram. For this example, we'll use 15 milligrams per kilogram. Suppose the child weighs 15 kilograms, and the syrup strength is 125 milligrams in 5 milliliters. First, calculate the dose. 15 milligrams by 15 kilograms equals 225 milligrams. If 125 milligrams equals 5 milliliters, then 225 milligrams equals 9 milliliters. If 125 milligrams, 5 milliliters, then 225 milligrams, 9 milliliters. So the calculated dose is 9 milliliters. Now, let's take a 20 kilograms child. We multiply the child's weight by the recommended dose. 20 kilogram kali 15 miligram per kilogram sama dengan 300 miligram. The syrup strength is 125 milligrams in 5 milliliters. So if 125 milligrams equals 5 milliliters, then 300 milligrams equals 12 milliliters. Therefore, the calculated volume is 12 milliliters. Always verify whether the recommended dose is per dose or per day before administration.